Welcome to 306 Fairfax Street. This is the quintessential Hillcrest home. Built in 1912, it's had the same owner since the 1940s. This home is situated across 4 lots with a large enclosed pool. She's ready now for a new owner to come in and start making memories. As you enter the front living room, you are greeted with high ceilings, gorgeous arches, and huge windows that allow the sun to shine in every room. This is my favorite space. Pool parties can happen year-round. This pool has been meticulously maintained and it's ready to jump in on closing day.